Casado Costa Rican lunch plate. Ingredients: 4 pork chops, salt and pepper to taste, 2 garlic cloves, crushed, vegetable oil for frying, ½ cup beef broth, 2 ripe plantains, peeled and sliced, 1 small head of lettuce, iceberg, 1 sliced tomato, 1 carrot, grated, vinaigrette to dress the salad, 3 cups white rice, cooked, 3 cups black beans, cooked, 4 eggs, fried or hard-boiled, 1 cup queso fresco, sliced. Tortillas, as preferred. Directions: begin by seasoning the pork chops with the salt, pepper and garlic. In a large skillet, heat 2 tablespoons vegetable oil over medium heat and cook the pork as desired on each side. Then deglaze the same pan. Create a sauce from the drippings, by adding ½ cup beef broth and bring to a boil. Let reduce to 1/3 cup and set aside. In a separate frying pan, fry the plantain slices in a bit of oil until golden brown. Meanwhile, prepare the salad by combining the grated carrot and tomato slices. Season with salt, pepper and vinaigrette, set aside. To assemble, cover 4 large plates with banana leaves and place the prepared portions side by side, 1 pork chop with a little salsa for each dish, with a serving of fried plantains to the side, followed by salad, rice, beans, 1 fried or hard-boiled egg on some slices of queso fresco. Make sure to have plenty of tortillas ready as well. Serve immediately with a good cup of Costa Rican coffee or ice cold. Serve this on a hot day.